Hi, I'm Marcia with Nature's Friends, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bacon ranch cheese ball today. Very simple, not a whole lot of ingredients. We're just about 4 days from Christmas, and this would be great to have to serve. We're going to start out with 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. And I'm using my mixer today, but believe me, I've made lots of cheese balls just doing it by hand. So we've got our 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. There we go. And I'm using mild cheddar today, 2 cups of mild cheddar. And to that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of finely chopped spring onions. We use the greenery and the white part of our onion. And we're going to put that in there. And where you get all of your good seasoning is from Hidden Valley Ranch, dry. It should be dry. And use the whole pack in there. So all we're going to do is incorporate this now. Carol, you want to come closer and see what we're doing here? Just going to mix it.
Easier than using your hand.
It is a bit easier. Make sure that your cheeses are at room temperature. It'll make it a lot easier for you if you do that. Leave your cheese out for a few hours until it gets to room temperature. Okay, now I'm going to scrape my sides. Looks really good. First one I had, a friend gave it to us, to Harold, and I thought it was the best cheese ball I had ever eaten. I loved
Jen
it.
Cox.
Yeah, so I've scraped this a little bit, and I'm just going to let it go around a couple more times. We're going to be ready to take it out. I think that's good enough. So this is where I'm going to get my hands into it. That has to happen.
Y'all notice I let her do the nasty work?
Uh-huh. There you are. Okay. So you want to have a piece of saran or wax paper or something like that nearby. And we're going to scrape all this down. It's going to make a really big... You know, if you didn't want to make one giant cheese ball, you could cut it in half and maybe share with a friend or a neighbor. All my goodies. Use a spatula. Okay, here comes the fun part. This will help you form it. Okay, so now we've got to roll it in bacon, fresh bacon. Now if you want to buy a bag of bacon bits, the larger chunks, that would be good too. But Harold, was this 4 to 6 slices?
6 slices.
6 slices. So you're going to hold your cheese ball. And you don't have to really worry about getting your bacon on the bottom. But you want it on those sides. I'm telling you, everybody loves bacon. So you take this to a holiday party or a family get together, you know it's going to be the hit. I mean, look at that. Wow. So find you a pretty serving dish and finish patting your bacon on that. Oh, look at that. Let me get this out of the way so Harold can get up close and see how delicious this looks. And isn't that pretty?
Very pretty. Put a few crackers around it.
And that's all you want to do is put your crackers around it and you are good to go. Look at my lovely hands. So
Okay.
okay. So guys, that was really quick and simple. What, 5 minutes, if that? So I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. Subscribe to our channel if you like our recipes. We really appreciate that. And hit like and subscribe. And I hope you all have a blessed holiday. And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, email us at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. Thank you.